we making, Mom?
Today we are making Bombay Masala toast.
Great.
It is very famous. I have just, made it a little simpler.
Okay.
This goes in layers, like tomatoes, capsicums, potatoes. They go into layers, but that takes a lot of time. So what I have done is I have mashed 4 medium-sized potatoes, peeled it and mashed it up. Now I will add some salt into it. That's according to your taste. And here I have chopped everything. This has got corianders, 1 tomato chopped, 1 onion and 1 capsicum. Now we will mix all that. That is to be mixed nicely. And you add a little chaat masala to it. That gives a wonderful flavor. So you add a little chaat masala to it. So your salt, you just see how much you actually need. This chaat masala has to be enough. Okay. Now you just mix it up nicely. Only thing you do is mix it up. I like to use my hands because then I feel that I've mixed it well. So this is your stuffing, which is ready. You can put green chili. I have added a green chili to it, but don't make it too spicy if children are having it. Now we go on to the bread. I'm using 4 slices of bread. Now this is the green chutney, which is essential, very essential. I have shown you already once how to make green chutney. So just put your green chutney on both the sides. Okay?
I'll add the reference video in the description below of this video, so you can check the green chutney recipe out.
Then on both the sides. Now some people like to butter it and then put the green chutney. That is personal choice. I don't like to add on too much of butter because when we fry it we will need some butter. You can make it in a sandwich toaster also. It's up to you. Once that is done, we put some stuffing in. Now because you have the chutney on both the sides, this is going to stick to each other.
Okay.
Two slices of cheese single. No, it's wonderful, really it's wonderful. And just be a little less on salt.
This is my favorite part.
These cheese singles already have some salt into it.
Okay. I think extra salt is probably not needed because you have already added
a little bit of salt you have to. No, extra salt is not needed. Now.
So we've already added the masala, which is a chaat masala.
Yes. Now we have to press it. Just cover it. Press it nicely. And butter your sandwich. Okay.
This is because we are going to fry it slightly.
My gas is on. I will put the butter side down, and then I will butter the other side also.
So you're buttering the other side, put the butter
Yes, because
down.
I will toast both the sides, so we need butter on both the sides.
You were a little far away, so I thought I'll repeat that.
Okay.
This will, I think, take a few minutes.
Yes, it takes about 2-3 minutes. Just the amount of time to toast.
So just put this on the open flame. Keep the pan open, and this will probably take you 2-3 minutes. Flip it over, 2-3 minutes in total, right?
Yeah.
So 1 minute, 1.5 minutes on each side of frying, and then we'll show you the final product. Our final dish looks like nice, amazing. This is actually very mouth-watering, tempting. We're going to get to eat it right now. So you have to make yours. It's very fast, quick. So definitely make it and enjoy it. I think you're definitely going to like this.